Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fiverr app. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, you will go to Fiverr app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage, and then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem.